What is up, iPad Focus fam? Get ready to dive headfirst into the absolute craziest, fastest-moving tech news of the week. The digital world is spinning faster than ever, and if you blink, you might miss the next big thing. But don't worry, we've got your back, bringing you the updates you need to know, hot off the press. We're talking about breakthroughs that could change how we interact with technology, massive shifts in the market, and some seriously cool innovations that are just begging to be explored. Think you know what's next? Think again. We're about to break down the stories that are making waves, sparking conversations, and setting the pace for what's coming. From the bleeding edge of AI to the companies shaping our digital future, this is your essential download. So buckle up, hit that notification bell, and let's get into it. First up, a story that reminds us that sometimes, the most heartwarming updates come from the most unexpected places, proving that innovation isn't just about code and chips, but about connection and care. This is going to be good, so stay tuned. Next, we're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence, where Apple is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Get ready to explore a groundbreaking new model that promises lightning-fast video captioning, and the best part, you can try it out yourself, right from your browser. This is a game changer for how we process visual information, and we've got all the details on how you can experience this cutting-edge tech firsthand. And the AI revolution continues as we uncover how Apple is leveraging its own AI to supercharge its retail operations. Imagine a world where every staff member is an expert, armed with instant knowledge to help you. That's exactly what Apple's new AI chatbot, Asa, is designed to do for its employees, enhancing training and customer service like never before. We'll explore how this internal tool is set to redefine the retail experience. Finally, we're shifting gears to the financial markets, where the big players are making moves. We're putting two tech giants head-to-head, Apple and SiriusXM. Which stock is the smarter buy right now? We'll break down their performance, their strategies, and what the future holds for these companies, giving you the insights you need to navigate the investment landscape. Don't miss out on these essential updates. Make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on so you never miss a beat. A perfect companion. Meet Apple, the cat of the week. Sometimes, the most heartwarming stories don't involve cutting-edge technology, but rather the simple joy of finding a forever home. This week, we're shining a spotlight on a truly special feline friend named Apple, who is currently seeking her perfect match at the Sangamon County Animal Control and Adoption Center. This little void beauty is just one of many kittens eagerly awaiting adoption, embodying the spirit of hope and new beginnings. Apple, a delightful 4-month-old kitten, arrived at the center on July 24th. She's already spayed, microchipped, and up to date on all her vaccinations, making her ready to embark on her new life. Described as sweet and playful, Apple is the epitome of kitten charm, full of energy and affection. The center emphasizes that kittens are always better in pairs, and adopting two ensures they adapt more easily to their new surroundings and bond with their new family. With plenty of kittens to choose from, the opportunity to bring double the joy into your home is readily available. Sangamon County Animal Control and Adoption Center is dedicated to finding loving homes for animals in need. Located at 2100 Shale Street in Springfield, IL, the center can be reached at 217-535-3065 or via email at scacapplications@sangamonal.gov. Their operating hours are Monday through Friday from 10:30 a.m. to 4:15 p.m. and Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. For those interested in adoption or volunteering, detailed applications, and more information about the center's mission and how to contribute can be found on their website, www.meowmobile.org. This initiative, part of the Meow Mobile program, highlights the vital work being done to support and rehome stray and abandoned cats. Adopting a pet like Apple not only saves a life, but also enriches your own with unconditional love and companionship. It's a reminder that innovation can take many forms, and in this case, it's about connecting loving homes with deserving animals. And while we're talking about incredible advancements, get ready for something that's going to blow your mind in the tech world. Next, we're diving into Apple's latest AI breakthrough that you can actually try yourself. Experience AI in real time. Apple's FastVLM now browser accessible. Prepare to be amazed as Apple's cutting-edge visual language model, FastVLM, makes its debut accessible directly through your web browser. offering a remarkable glimpse into the future of AI-powered video captioning. Just a few months after its initial release, which showcased near-instant high-resolution image processing, Apple has made this powerful tool available for public interaction, provided you have an Apple Silicon-powered Mac. This move democratizes access to advanced AI, allowing users to witness its capabilities firsthand. When FastVLM was first introduced, its potential was immediately clear. It leverages MLX, Apple's proprietary open machine learning framework meticulously designed for Apple Silicon chips. This integration results in astonishing performance metrics, up to 85 times faster video captioning compared to similar models, all while maintaining a significantly smaller footprint, being over 3 times more compact. This efficiency is crucial for on-device processing and broader application. Apple has continued to refine the project, and its presence on Hugging Face alongside GitHub marks a significant step. The version available on Hugging Face, FastVLM 05B, is optimized for browser-based use. Upon testing on a 16GB M2 Pro MacBook Pro, the model took a couple of minutes to load, but once operational, it demonstrated impressive accuracy. It began describing the user's appearance, the surrounding environment, various facial expressions, and objects introduced into the frame with remarkable speed and precision. The interface allows users to adjust prompts in real time, influencing the captions as the video progresses, or choose from a selection of preset prompts. For those eager to push the boundaries, the demo supports the use of virtual camera applications. This allows for the feeding of live video streams into the model, showcasing its ability to detail multiple scenes instantaneously. While the actual use cases will differ, this demonstration vividly underscores the model's speed and accuracy. A key highlight is that this experiment runs entirely locally within the browser, ensuring that no user data leaves the device. Furthermore, it boasts offline functionality, making it an ideal candidate for integration into wearables and assistive technologies, where low latency and minimal data transfer are paramount. It's important to note that this demo showcases the lighter 0.5 billion parameter model. The FastVLM family also includes more robust variants with 1.5 billion and 7 billion parameters, which could offer even greater performance and speed. However, running these larger models directly in a browser might present challenges. This release signifies Apple's commitment to advancing AI accessibility and showcasing the power of its silicon. Now, let's switch gears from experiencing AI directly to how Apple is using it to train its own workforce. Get ready to learn about Apple's internal AI initiative that's set to revolutionize retail training with their new chatbot, Asa. Apple's Asa AI chatbot, revolutionizing retail training from the inside out. In a significant move to enhance the capabilities of its retail staff, Apple has rolled out Asa, a sophisticated AI chatbot designed to bolster product knowledge and refine sales techniques. This initiative follows the recent integration of a similar AI feature into the Apple Support app, aimed at improving customer service. Asa is poised to become a cornerstone of Apple's internal training ecosystem, specifically within the Seed application, a vital resource for its retail personnel. Early insights, derived from screenshots shared by prominent analyst Aaron Paris, reveal Asa's multifaceted functionality. Employees can engage with the chatbot by submitting any query, receiving detailed explanations of Apple's product advantages and comprehensive breakdowns of various iPhone use cases. The goal is to equip every retail associate with an unparalleled depth of knowledge, enabling them to provide more informed and effective assistance to customers. Currently, this powerful tool is undergoing a testing phase, indicating Apple's commitment to thorough development and refinement before a wider rollout. The introduction of Asa, aptly described as an AI assistant for Apple sales, directly supports the company's ongoing efforts to leverage artificial intelligence across its operations. This internal deployment of AI for training purposes comes at a pivotal time, coinciding with the anticipated launch of the iPhone 17. While Apple has not yet released a general-purpose AI chatbot to the public, the development of Asa signals a strategic focus on internal optimization. Furthermore, reports suggest that Apple may be exploring the integration of Google Gemini into its servers to enhance future Siri functionalities, indicating a broad approach to AI adoption. The Seed app, where Asa is currently being tested, serves as a critical platform for retail training, housing resources and modules designed to continuously develop employee skills. By providing an AI-powered conversational interface, Apple aims to make learning more interactive, accessible, and personalized. This approach not only benefits employees by offering immediate access to information, but also indirectly enhances the customer experience by ensuring staff are exceptionally well-informed. The potential for Asa to streamline training processes, improve knowledge retention, and ultimately boost sales performance is significant. As the technology matures and integrates more deeply into the Seed application, it could set a new standard for retail employee development within the tech industry. From revolutionizing internal training to navigating the complex world of stock markets, we're keeping you informed on all fronts. Next, we pit two major players against each other, Apple and SiriusXM, to determine which stock is the better buy right now. Apple vs SiriusXM, a stock showdown for savvy investors. In the dynamic arena of stock markets, identifying the next winning investment can be a challenge, especially when comparing established giants. This week, we're putting two familiar names under the microscope, Apple, AAPL, and SiriusXM, Siri. While both have seen their share prices fluctuate, their recent performance and future outlook present a stark contrast, offering valuable insights for investors weighing their options. Over the past 3 years, the market landscape has been varied. The S&P 500 has surged by approximately 60%, indicating a generally positive trend. However, Apple's stock has lagged behind, showing a gain of around 40%, while SiriusXM has experienced a significant downturn, with its stock price falling by about 60%. This divergence suggests that investor confidence has waned for both companies, but perhaps more critically for SiriusXM. SiriusXM's recent financial reports paint a challenging picture. The second quarter, ending June 30, saw its earnings decline by 23% to 57 cents per share, accompanied by a nearly 2% drop in sales, totaling $2.1 billion. A primary concern for the company is its declining subscriber base. SiriusXM concluded Q2 with 32.8 million subscribers, a 1% year-over-year decrease. Given that subscriptions account for roughly 75% of its total revenue, this downward trend in subscribers, leading to a nearly 2% fall in subscription revenue to $1.6 billion, is a significant red flag. The company is also struggling to capitalize on the burgeoning digital audio advertising market, which is projected to reach $7.5 billion in the U.S. this year. Despite this massive opportunity, SiriusXM's advertising sales are also in decline, falling 2.5% in the latest quarter. Apple, despite facing its own set of challenges, particularly in the artificial intelligence domain, demonstrates a more robust financial performance. While peers like Microsoft have made substantial strides in AI services, Apple's rollout of Apple Intelligence has faced criticism, and some promised services are yet to materialize. However, CEO Tim Cook has indicated openness to acquiring AI companies to bridge any gaps. Encouragingly, Apple's third-quarter earnings revealed a 10% revenue increase, its largest sales jump in 4 years, largely driven by a 13% rise in iPhone sales. Crucially, Apple's revenue diversification is a key strength. While iPhones still represent a significant portion of sales, its services segment now accounts for nearly 30% of total revenue, compared to 47% from iPhones. The services division boasts a high profit margin of 74%, significantly outperforming the 37% margin for its products. This profitability is a major differentiator. Apple reported non-GAAP earnings of $1.57 per share in Q3, a 12% increase from the previous year. Investors should note that Apple's stock is not inexpensive, trading at a price-to-earnings (PE) ratio of 35, higher than the S&P 500's average of 30 and SiriusXM's PE ratio of just 7. Despite its premium valuation and current AI stumbles, Apple's increasing sales, strong profitability, and significant potential in the AI market position it as a more compelling investment compared to the struggling SiriusXM. The company's ability to innovate and diversify its revenue streams provides a solid foundation for future growth. We've covered heartwarming stories, AI advancements, internal tech strategies, and stock market analysis. Now, let's wrap it all up. Stay tuned for a quick recap of all the top stories and your essential call to action. And that's a wrap on another packed episode of iPad Focus. We saw a furry friend find a new home, explored Apple's lightning-fast AI captioning model you can try yourself, learned how Apple's Asa AI is training retail staff, and analyzed why Apple stock is looking like a better buy than SiriusXM. Don't miss out on any future updates. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, drop a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our socials. We'll see you in the next one.